So today we are looking at another pair of earbuds from our friends over at Tozo, and these are the T6 True Wireless earbuds. Now these Canadian wise come in about $40, which is pretty incredible. When I saw the price, I was like, okay, they got to be just basic earbuds, just basic. But no, these have active noise canceling in them. They have transparency mode. You're looking at about 12 hours, they say, on a charge. Plus, with the case, it gives you a total of close to around the 50-hour mark. So pretty full featured for earbuds, especially at that $40 price point, which I thought was pretty incredible. So let's take a look at these. These are the Tozo T6. And, if you're looking maybe just for a budget pair of earbuds, maybe these are all you need. Or maybe you're looking for a second pair of earbuds, something that, you can give the kids, or you just want something maybe for travel. So if you happen to lose them or whatever, then you have earbuds. Oh, look at that. Because they do come in different colors. So you'll see, it looks like no matter what color you get that top box, it's black. But you can get these in like a white, maybe they can consider it a silver. You can get it in black, of course, and you can get it in this green. So when they asked if they could send me a pair, I said yes, and they said what color, and I said I don't care, right? So green, that's kind of nice. Quick guide, sure. Color, fonts are a little on the small side, but color, that's kind of cool. So yeah, you get your quick start, you get your user manual. It's laid out pretty nice. It does look like these may be a pair of earbuds that have some sizing tips in them. So for you and I to make sure that they fit properly. So that's kind of nice. Fit is always important, especially if you want something that's got a decent amount of bass in them, right? It's got to fit your ears properly. Anyways, what do we get inside here? Yeah, we're going to get a charging cable, which again, USB-A to USB-C, nice and small. And we get a bunch of tips. So it looks like they're just all kind of thrown in this here baggie. My guess would be that I'm not even gonna open them. I'm guessing that there is, based on I think the box, right? You have a whole bunch. See that? A whole bunch. Looks like 5 different sizes. So you should have no problems getting these to fit your ears and give you that ultimate sound, right? Because again, you want them to seal properly, but you also want them to just not hurt. So that's important. I do have a phone somewhere. Here it is. Okay, so here's my phone. Let's see how these work. So it does come, it says Tozo. You can use this QR code to activate an 18-month warranty. The wrapping on them, very Apple AirPod like. So that's cool. Yeah, so that's it's a bluey greeny, I would say. A bluey green. Yes? Bluey green. All right. And then your little power indicators right there for lights, your USB-C charger. Yep, pretty simple. You can see it in my hand, right? That's how big it is. Decent size. It's not overly large, not too small. If you want to fit in your pocket really good. Open these up. Okay, there they be. So they do have some stickies on them, little sticky things like that. So you want to make sure you pull those off, because I'm guessing, my guess is if you have those on, they are not going to charge properly, would be my guess. And there's maybe 2 sets on each. So there's another set down here. Yeah, that covers the actual charging plates. Yeah, I didn't see it on the first one. So make sure you pull those off, or else these aren't going to charge. And once those are off my fingers, yeah, you can see that once those are off, right? You may be able to see that little charging lights, and this, when it opens, maybe, no, when they go in, maybe. Yeah, so case is fully charged. Very cool. Good. Seems to be doing its job. And then we're going to go into our lovely Bluetooth. Yes. Let's see if these just show up. So we'll pop that right there. Give it an open. See if they have a smart TV, Bluetooth. Nope. Maybe they have to come out of the case. Pop. Right? Yeah, this one went blue. Maybe they go back in. Let's see if it happens. I want to see when they'll actually show up for charging. Okay. None of the above so far. They're going in my ears. So they kind of go in and twist. All right. Same idea here. Kind of go in and twist. Size-wise, I think I'm doing pretty good. They seem to just both turn on. So my guess is that they have some kind of like, yeah, so there they are, Tozo T6. They must have some kind of like ear detection so that they know when they're in your ear. Bing. Cool, right? Connected. So that's good. Let's listen to some music because, again, that's important. So I got some whiskey in a jar. Okay, ready? You're $40. They are way better than what $40 headphones should sound like. Yes? Yeah. And that's at not even at full. That's at full. So they're plenty loud. They definitely make sure that they don't go too loud where they start to distort by any means. Very nice bass. Oh yeah, the bass is actually quite good in them. And again, I would just make sure if you're having any issues with it not sounding too bassy, it's probably because the tips are not the wrong side. So you want to make sure you get a bigger size. These ones fit my ears actually really good. All right. Yeah, that's decent. I'm very pleased with that. Let's see if we have anything else here. Go to my standard. Oh, I like this new song here. This Mayday by 3 Days Grace. Oh yeah. No, that sounds great. You really don't have to spend a whole lot of money to get earbuds nowadays that really have good sound in them. You just don't need to. Okay, now the only thing that these ones, as far as I know, they don't come with any kind of app. So of course, if we tap them, what happens? Okay, that's play pause. It's just a little tap. I wonder if it's different on each side. What's this one? Nope. Both play pause. What if I hold it? Okay. I got a little ding. Click. I don't know. Maybe 1, 2. Oh, I got a different kind of ding. I'm thinking that it's fast forward and rewind. 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. That brought up Siri. Okay. So there's got to be a little kind of a manual here that I put over here that says how to turn on this active noise canceling. Very quick guide. Oh, glasses. One day I'll just constantly have to wear these. Okay. So we have previous songs, volume down, play, pause, hang up, activate voice assistant, next song, volume, answer, reject. So it doesn't seem to have press X1 button, press 2. Yeah, I'm with you. It says on their website that these have some kind of active noise canceling is what I thought they said, but I don't seem to see it on here. I do not. Hold on, I'm going to check their website. So their website, on the main part of their website, it just says Bluetooth 5.3, control with wireless charging case, IPX8 waterproof. Good. Yes. About this item, active noise cancellation, hybrid 3-layer active noise canceling, outward facing microphones. It says transparent mode. You hear what you want. Built-in dual noise, etc., etc., etc. Charge on the go. Oh, that may be an issue because I don't think they do have it. So when I brought up the Tozo T6, when you look in the description, it says Tozo NC9. So I have a feeling that on their website, these don't have active noise canceling. They don't have it. So their Amazon listing seems to be 2 different earbuds being advertised on the exact same page, right? It says Tozo T6 at the top. The images are of the T6, but the description is of the NC9. So watch that because I don't think you're getting active noise canceling. And as I could see here, I couldn't find it. And I could also see that there's nothing in the description here that says that there should be active noise canceling. But sound-wise, still excellent, right? Like that's really good sound. Just no noise no noise canceling. So, wah, wah, $40 though. Okay, I was in the surprise mode when they said $40 gave me all these features. So, anyways, it doesn't give it to you. So just realize that. Other than that, let's bring up good old Black Magic here. And what we'll do is we'll see what the mic is like. So again, you guys can see, I'll bring this down. Tozo T6 is set as my audio source. Very good. turn this off to the side so that we can do recording. And
So now what you are hearing is the Tozo T6 earbuds, and this is the microphone from these. So you should get an idea of what these are going to sound if you're using them for any kind of audio calls, audio recording, you're on Zoom, you're taking phone calls. This is what they should sound like, the microphone, and you should say you love it or you don't. So not my decision. It's totally up to you. Your decision. All right, I'm going to stop this.
all right, so that is the T6. First off, I like the color. I do. I dig the color. I think the color is kind of cool, right? I got to put these in properly. I like the case. Case is all right. I'm not. This isn't my favorite style of earbuds, just because I'm not a huge fan of the bulkiness that sits outside. But personal preference. That's just up to you. Sound quality wise, they're really good. No active noise canceling that I can find on anything here or transparency mode, but $40, right? So $40. So if you're looking for a pair of earbuds that basic but have actually really good sound out of them, the bass is good, the volume is good, sound quality is good. You guys can hear the microphone, so you can make a decision onto that if you think that's good, and that's it. Yeah, Tozo T6. I'll leave links down below if you guys are interested. Just make sure if you're watching the actual like Amazon listing that it seems to not necessarily be correct from what I see. All right, guys. Again, links down below. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that little notification bell, and I will see you fine folks next video. Later.